Cardano is heading into a major support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Our Telegram channel has been absolutely killing it with our trade setups, as well as the fact that we have been analyzing a ton of short-term positions that you guys can take, so make sure to check out the link in the bio. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Cardano analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Cardano, we are heading into our crucial support level here at 30 cents. Of course, in yesterday's video, I mentioned the fact that it's going to be very important from a bullish case scenario to try to break above these exponential moving averages, use them as support, and then a continuation. But if we continue remaining below these EMAs and reacting as resistance, we aren't looking for any sort of buy opportunity until we end up testing the 30-cent support. Now, zooming out on the chart here, you'll notice the fact the reason why the 30-cent support level, of course, is very important is because when we had this massive short squeeze opportunity, we ended up retesting this level as a pullback and then a continuation. But if you look in terms of the pullback range, you'll notice that we already tested this level twice. This is why personally I'm waiting for the 28-cent support level to be tested, which also falls in line with our beautiful short squeeze opportunity where it started. Without any sort of pullback range, there's a ton of liquidity trapped within this area, and this is exactly where I think the bearish case scenario may go. Now, of course, assuming the fact that if Cardano were to break above that resistance level of our exponential moving averages, our take profit level, of course, remains at 34 cents, and there are two scenarios that can happen. Number one, of course, we end up retesting the 34-cent level, breaking above it, using it as support, and then a continuation. Or, of course, number two, where we end up seeing a short squeeze opportunity because of how many shorts are laddered into this range, retesting it as resistance, and then a stronger confirmation. Now, for those of you in the Telegram channel, I have already mentioned the fact that I am looking for a bearish case scenario with the Fed, of course, looking for interest rate hikes. I am not looking for any sort of long-term buy opportunities just yet, but in terms of Cardano, you can see that we had such a massive rally opportunity, and now we are seeing that correction move. I talked about this many times before as well. The fact that Cardano had such a nice rally from all the way down here at 23 cents, which I did mention was going to be a perfect buy opportunity, as you guys remember a few months ago. But now we are looking for a top out formation and a stronger continuation to the downside. A lot of you guys were questioning the fact that the 34-cent support level will never break, and you guys mentioned that ideally this is a perfect buy opportunity. But I kept warning you guys, usually when a support level ends up being bounced and we come back into that range once again, retesting it, the more times that happens, the higher chances of it actually breaking, and that's exactly what happened on Cardano. If you look here, even on the hourly time frame, every time we tend to see a bullish engulfing candle, we are immediately rejected by the bearish case scenario, and this range has become extremely choppy. In all my years of trading, I have only seen this once, and that was back in 2018 when, of course, Bitcoin was trading at the $6,000 level. We were neutral for a few weeks, and then we saw a massive 50% drop within a few days, and this is, of course, the worry in the back of my head, is the question whether or not we will see the same sort of situation. Now, of course, I don't want to put fear into you guys, and of course, I'm only looking at the 4-hour time frames as of right now, but it is something to consider the fact that our 30-cent range is approaching extremely fast. We have broken below the exponential moving averages, and this is starting to look like a perfect top out opportunity where we may actually go and end up retesting our daily support level here at 23 cents. Now, you can see, of course, that the 23-cent support level was never tested. We got pretty close to that range, but ideally saw that breakout formation immediately after, and now we could be looking for that possible retest, of course, if we do end up breaking below the 28-cent range. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have one.